All right, so I've familiarized you with our blood pressure taking machine, and I'm going to go ahead and use it on myself now. I'll place it on my finger, I'll tighten the cuff, I'll push the power button. If it tells me that the cuff is tightened and it's ready to go, I will hit start. When you're having your blood pressure taken, be it by another human or by some sort of device or machine, it's important to be still, be calm, breathe normally, make sure to breathe in and out, no reason to hold your breath, it will affect the reading, and to not talk, as talking, motion, activity does increase your blood pressure. So I might get a little quiet for a minute, but here we go. Put it on my finger, make sure to hold it at heart level, tighten the little cuff, and that beep tells you it's powering on, and it's not indicating that I need to tighten the cuff, and I'm going to hit start and get a little quiet. We'll be back to you in a moment with the results.